What's good, gang? In today's video, we're about to play Nature Lab. The map was made by Jack4.bendy, and he did a good job on this map, so I really like it. And we're about to play the whole map, and this video gets like 4 likes. That's just all it. I'll just play the chapter 2. And let's play the map. I think I made it. Oh yeah, I did. Wait for it to load up. Alright, let's play. Oh boy. Grab to select the book. Okay. That was a creepy picture. Alright, so this is the right place. Okay. Let's see what is weird place has to do. Okay. Nature Lab. Welcome. Maybe. Oh wait, it's now. Welcome. Alright. Entrance right here. Oh, it's closed. Guess the entrance is closed. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I know where it is. I just right past one. Alright, we take that. Place boards or resources, but they. Oh, it's an elevator. Right. Alright, then. Good. To the. Ooh. Oh. This. What is going on there? Oh, I collect that leaf thing. Man. Whoa! Oh my lord! What happened to you? Holy. Pause that and read them. Let's get. Oh, that was easy. Okay. Oh! What the? Oh my goodness! Oh my lord. Do we need to go there? No. Doesn't work though. Yeah, that's... Oh, do I need... Yeah, Whoa, what time is that? Yeah, I shouldn't. Alright. Oh, another quiz. Oh! Let's go there. Whoa! Oh my lord! Oh my... Dude, Shut up, though. How good this level is. Well... Alright, Oh no, wait, no. Go. Oh my goodness, that's scary. Oh my god. Why? same thing that I just said. Look! Oh my goodness. Let's go there. Base 5. That might be a better chase, isn't it? Oh, another one, but faster. Ha, ha, ha. Come on, why is this fast? Ha, ha. Oh, did it! Let's go. Oh, what's this? Activate the door. No! No! Come closer! I can't. Oh no! Oh! Thank you for playing. Chapter 2 is out. Play. Well, if this video gets like, let me think. I don't know. Maybe this. When this video gets like 4 likes, or on TikTok or YouTube, I will chapter 2. And that's all.